Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and open General Management, and then go to Language and Input. Now you can simply, by tapping on Language and then clicking on the plus icon, add the language to the list. So as you can see, your Galaxy has plenty of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me change to, for example, Espanol. Then let me pick the region, set as default. And from now on, as you can see, Espanol is our default language. Everything is in Espanol. Then if you would like to go back to your previous language or add some other, you can simply go back to the language settings and then swipe up English, for example. Okay, so let me hold it here. And now English would be a default one. Just click here. And you can also permanently delete some language from this list. Simply click on delete, select the language that you would like to erase, and then tap on delete to permanently remove this language from your languages list. And that's all. As you can see, now we are back in English. So that is all. This is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.